Welcome on board on the Azimut 66 Flybridge, a sporty boat with roomy interiors. Stefano Leghini designed the exterior. The interiors were designed by the Azimut team that gave this boat its classic and elegant Azimut touch. Azimut 66 Flybridge is provided with a certification HTSD, High Technical Standard Declaration, which certifies its high standards in construction. Model that offers two interior displays, a more classic one that combines perfectly brushed oak with a tie wood, and a glossy mahogany with brass and steel inserts. In the more contemporary version, we find the elegant gray shades of the zebrana wood next to the darker pigmentation in oak and black 100% gloss, brass and steel inserts. The claim of this boat is that beauty is in the details.